Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we learned about how you can refer HTML element by using DOM hierarchy. So in that video we learned about this DOM model. So now today video we're going to learn how you can access HTML element by using name technique. So JavaScript can control HTML element by using name, and there's a one concept in there, generic parent. So I will tell you what it is in the video. So let's see everything in action. So open our VS Code and put our HTML structure and take a div. Inside of this div we take a image, and in source we take our image woman1, and we give width and height 150 pixel each, and we take another div. In this div we create a form, and in the form we let's say we say username, and we take input, and we take input as button also, and we give the value login. Okay, so now let's see how this is looking. So this is our picture and we have this form. So now just to see how we can refer it, we can simply first delete this login, and we just simply delete this picture. Okay, now let's see. So now is blank. Now the value button in is blank, and picture space is also blank. So now we want to apply picture and value dynamically through our JavaScript. So what we do is when the body load, we want to trigger a function. So on load, this is the event, and we create a function body load parenthesis, and down at the bottom at the body we can write our script. And how you create function? So you create function by using function keyword function, and you give the name body load, and parenthesis curly brackets, and then so now we want to refer it using name. So we have to assign name attribute in our HTML. So first we want to give image, so we give the name equals to pic. Okay, and we can give the name btn because it is a button, right? So we simply just write the name of that image tag, just a pic, and what we want to access source, so we can give the path of our picture, and we write it in code. So that's our picture path. Let's see the page. So now we got our image. So this is really fast and simple. You just give the name and do whatever you want to do with the HTML element. Now we want to access this input, but this is the issue with the name technique. So you cannot refer a child element, meaning child is, this is inside of form. So form is the parent and input is the child. So we cannot refer a child element directly using name technique. We have to refer first its parent, generic parent. So what are the generic parents in HTML? So mostly you see all the predefined collections or division like OL list, data list, forms. They have a generic predefined syntax. So those are the generic parents. So now if you want to access this input button, we have to first refer form also. So we have to give the name. So we can give the name form login. use camel case. Okay, so now the same thing, we just first refer form login dot, then we can access input button with the btn. Then what we want to do, we want to access the value, so value equals to, let's say, login. Now you can see the login right here, so we can change it to register if you want to register, and now you can see it register. So this is how you can use name technique to access your HTML documents. So in next video we're going to learn how you can access HTML element by using ID. This is the most important. So this is we like frequently use in our JavaScript project. So this is really essential to know. So, if you have any if you have any concern, just leave in the comment. I will reply back as soon as possible. And if you like my video, make sure you hit the like button and hit the bell icon also, so you when I load my next video you can get the notification right away. So see you in the next video. Have a nice day.